Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a really long while and I feel really horrible about it, but it's been just a crazy several weeks. I was finishing up my summer semester and I've been working a lot, so it's just been crazy, but we're back and now I'm going to be gone for another week. But I'm going on vacation, and so hence the title of the video. It's me packing for vacation and showing you what's in my makeup travel bag. I am leaving in like 2 days, so that's why, this is why my appearance looks this way, because I'm packing, and I've had this makeup on well for maybe about past 12 hours now, so you know, this is why my appearance looks this way, so let's just excuse it, because we're not here to talk about what's on my face currently. We're going to talk about what I'm going to be putting in my makeup travel bag. So don't forget to like this video and go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell so that you can get a notification for every new video that I post, which next week I won't be posting because I will be on vacation unless I pre-record something. We'll see. But when I upload this video, I should already be on my way to vacation. But then after that, I will be uploading just a short little vlog of my vacation. I'm going to be on vacation for like 11 days-ish. I don't know, I'm not sure, something like that. So I'm going to just be showing like short snippets of everything, just a nice little vlog. It'll be super cute, so I can't wait to show you all that. But I say let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I like to start off by exactly how I'm going to be working through my face. So I always start with my eyebrows. So that's what we're going to start with. I'm going to be packing the iconic London eyebrow cushion. And I'm taking this because this it's not advertised as waterproof, but it might as well should be. And I'm going to be in the beach quite a bit and in the water. So this will be quite nice. It gives me a natural brow, but it also gives me a daytime and a nighttime brow. So that will be pretty universal for me, but I'm also going to go ahead and pack this. This is the Amazonian Clay Volumizing Brow Powder by Tarte and the color Black Brown. And this I will pretty much just be taking just in case I want to give myself like a bolder nighttime brow. All right, so I've already started with my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and after I do brows, I always move on to primer. So again, I said that I'm packing for like 2 different versions of me, like daytime and nighttime. And of course, for however my skin is going to be during this trip, you know, I'm going to be experiencing different weather than I am here. So I got to prepare my skin for that as well, and especially since I'll be traveling on an airplane and then a cruise, and just gotta prepare my skin for that change. So I'm gonna be using this No Pore Blem Prime Essence Calendula flower extract. It's the Touch and Soul. This is nice and hydrating on my skin. And then I'm going to be using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. So I'm going to be using these two depending on what my skin is reacting like. So I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London BB Cream. This has SPF 15 and it is in the color light medium. This gives me a little bit of coverage, nothing too crazy, but this is for when I'm not that dark, I guess. And my daytime. This is daytime for me. But then I'm also going to be taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. It has SPF 25. And this is in the color 04. So I'm going to be taking a combination of these two. This is daytime, using these in combination just to give my skin. These don't have a whole lot of coverage really, but just enough to give my skin like an even skin tone, basically, just to make me feel good. You know what I mean? I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the color F7 with me. This is definitely for nighttime, Adrianis. Yeah, definitely for nighttime, Adrianis. And definitely tanner Adrianis as well. So the two concealers that I'm going to pop in there right now is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 16. And then this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Light Peach. These two are pretty high coverage concealers, which is pretty much all I like to use. And these are a little bit light for me. So I'm also going to be taking this NARS. I feel like this is definitely nighttime Adrianis. For daytime, I'm going to take this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Medium 1 Custard. So I'm going to be taking things for when I don't want to set my face, which is simply going to be daytime me. I'm not going to want to set my face during the day. I just going to want to leave something a little more dewy, more natural. So I'm going to be taking lots of like cream stuff with me. So I have cream, blush, and bronzer. And I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks Melting Powder Blush. So it says melting powder blush, but I can apply this like, this is, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of, it's like a creamy powder to me. So like I can use this as like a cream blush and it doesn't feel powdery. Moving on. All right. Now let's go into just the rest of like my bronzers and foundation. Oh, not my bronzers, my brow and foundation. Words are so difficult at like midnight, which it is midnight. Anyways, whew, let's get it together. Cream bronzer. The only cream bronzer that I have is an $80 bronzer, so that's why it's the only one that I have. It's the Chanel Bronze Universal, or Soleil Tan de Chanel Bronze Universal. This stuff is great. I love it so much. I'm going to take these Faux Mink Lily Lashes in Gaia, the style Gaia, so I'll place that on top of there. And then, let me look through my fake lash box. I've got like a bin. These are cute. Look, this is not an easy decision to make. Let's just start there. I'm not being dramatic. I wish I was. I love how natural these lashes are. So I think I'm gonna just take these. And I think these. Okay, so I'm going to take these Kiss Lash Couture in Veil, and then these Ardell Naturals in 105. And those will be my lashes. I feel like that's a lot of lashes. It's really not. I'll like alternate with them. Now, this is what I mean by the top is just like I've got like my brushes up here, and then up here it's like anything that didn't make it down there. Kind of thing. Like I'm thinking like eyeliners and stuff would be perfect up here, like mascaras and any tubes that are too long, like my Morphe one. So I'm just going to show you all the brushes that I'm going to take. I have a foundation brush, a concealer brush, a small contouring brush. Let me tell you what brushes these are. This is the Morphe M439, my favorite foundation brush. Then this is the e.l.f. 105, my favorite concealer. This is great for like just about anything really. This is great. This is a Luxie Small Contouring 512. Then next I'm going to take this RL Moda foundation brush. And next this e.l.f. powder brush that I use for bronzer. And this Real Techniques blush brush. For smaller brushes, I'm going to be taking this Morphe B80 brush. I'm also going to throw in, I have a lot of brushes that I need to clean. So like if that's why I like don't show the top of it, it's probably because I still need to clean it and I'm not going to place it there till I do. Next, I'm going to also take this Luxie 209 large shader brush. Next, I'm also going to take a Japanesque 712 brush. Just some like universal brushes that I feel like will do me quite well. I have a lot of Luxie brushes, more than I thought that I did. And I love Luxie brushes so much. So I'm actually really content that I have that many. Do I want to take this as well. So the next, I'm going to take this Luxie 250 large eye blending. And last eye brush will just be this Sephora brush that doesn't have a name on it. So that's nice. Oh, and then I forgot. Obviously, I have to take a fan brush. Like, I just need to. And it's this RT Real Techniques 304 brush. And I think that'll be all for, like, my brushes. Oh, I'm also going to take this RL Moda. This is like a... It's just like a fluffy brush that like I like to like dust powder everywhere. Like this is like a good touch up like powder dust brush. Okay, and this is what that looks like, yeah? So I know some of my brushes are dirty, but that's what that looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and close that up. And now I'm gonna zip up that first layer because I'm gonna move on to just the very top. So what I'm gonna be putting in there is anything that like just didn't fit in the smaller, in like the big container per se. So what I'm going to be packing in there, and I'll show you how I pack it all, but I'm going to tell you first what I'm packing. I'm going to take this, it's a nude stick magnetic luminous eye color in the color copper foil. It's just a really nice copper pencil, just in case I kind of want to just like do something simple and quick with my eyes. That's a really good, a pencil, eyeshadows are really, really good tool to have. Next, I'm taking this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is a really great to brighten the eyes, the inner corner, and the waterline. Next, I'm also going to take this Trestique Good Vibes mascara, so I'm really excited about that. I love this mascara. I already showed you this Touch in Soul No Pore Blend Prime Essence Primer. Next, I'm going to take my handy dandy Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Eyeliner, Liquid Liner. I don't use anything else on my channel because this is my holy grail. It's the only thing I use. Just to keep things interesting. Oh, I didn't show you all my lipsticks that I'm packing because I'm still collecting those from family members of mine that have my lipsticks. You know what that means? And purses. So I won't be showing you all of my lipsticks, but I'm just going to be taking a wide array of nudes, a wide array of glosses, some reds, some burgundies. That's pretty much it. Anyways, moving on. This is if I want to get like creative. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color Screamin'. And then just a nice trusty black eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Long Lasting Waterproof Gel Pencil, which this is the craziest eyeliner I've ever used, ever. So I'm going to pack those and then I'll show you what that looks like. Actually, change of plans. I'm going to take this Tarte Big Ego mascara, actually, instead of my Trestique one. Yeah. I think I came to the conclusion, this is specifically just my makeup. This isn't even like my skincare. So that'll be fun. And like my hair care products and stuff. So that's not even in here yet. But I'll be packing my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray with my skincare because I will have a less structured bag for that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video. I know this was very different. I'm glad that you kind of enjoyed just watching me stress over packing my makeup, because it's something that I have been stressing about because I'm really bad at it. I just want to pack everything, and I mean, I did. I packed way too much, but we won't tell anybody. That's fine. I will be leaving a link down below for the makeup bag. I love it. I feel like it literally just like stored everything that I needed it to store, which I absolutely love. I will leave a link for that down below in the description. I'll also be leaving my Instagram handle down below so you can check out my Instagram and follow me there. I'll be posting a lot on my Instagram story so you can keep up with my vacation. But if not, do be sure to come back to my channel in 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops to watch a really fun vlog that I am planning on putting together. I hope that you enjoyed this week's video. Again, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you can get a notification for every new video that I post. But thank you all for watching so much. Bye, everyone.